Say hi.
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
Babalik tayo dito, madalag na mayong.
I can't see. You're not blocking it.
Kami sa Niagara.
You're not
Say
blocking
hi.
the sun. Block the sun. Block the sun.
Say hi.
Sana ka. Say hi.
Yeah, you know what auto up? You can't do it until it puts the tray down. We're up in the air, okay? You can't put the tray down until we're up in the air. So we've got it all set.
We're here. Click here. Huh? Here. Look. What we eat though?
Solid.
Hana, I'll do it.
Solid ha. Damot ang mga kalat ng
Okay, this one. That's ours. Oh no, I think yours. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ah. Wala na. Yeah.
Oh, the panda. Tito JC. Gusto mo ID?
Excuse Annabella.
Ano yun? Ayan, ayan, ayan. You like the car? Yeah. This is our Odyssey car.
ito na ayos si Katisa.
Are you driving?
Yeah, bibiro.
Dad, are you driving? Dad, are you driving?
This is your Odyssey.
Much of that will be on top.
No.
It's like the van.
It's like a van. You like it?
Macho,
Say hi. Macho, you have to go back.
I know.
You go at the back with Lola.
How do I?
We're here now.
Daddy,
We're here.
Bakit ba ako nandito? Okay.
Okay.
May man.
moments later.
Naka-video. Naka-video yung aking camera, naka-video. Ang aking sunglasses ay made video. Ha? Libre. Libre. Libre ng company. Ay, ang ano.
Mist.
There's some mist in here.
Oh no, it's going on my glasses. Is it going on yours?
Yeah. Wow! A rainbow, kuya. That's
Going
amazing.
on your glasses?
Yeah. Ibigyan ko dito sila.
Is it raining or is it misting? From here. Dito sa mga si Papa.
Say hi.
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
Babalik tayo dito, madaling mayong.
I can't see. You're not blocking it.
Kami sa Niagara.
You're not
Say
blocking
hi.
the sun. Block the sun. Block the sun.
Dapat pala sisig. 1, 2, 3, go. We're here in Niagara.
My eyes!
That's good. Let's go.
Ilang tayo na rin dito.
Dito tayo, dito tayo.
Glasses. A minute, Anna also.
Dalawa ano. Do you see something, Kuya Machu? This something?
There's something?
Nice.
There's
Ganda sa
something?
Niagara. Do you see something? Or nothing? Say hi!
Hi!
Let me see din daw, let me see.
Naninilip, may
Malapit!
May ito. Go.
Malapit!
Wala na raw, ubos na.
Wala na.
No more?
No more.
Oh.
Ang bilis na po na, Lars.
Wait. Where are we?
Niagara.
Fall.
Niagara falling. Sick.
Kapal na. We're gonna do that tomorrow.
Maybe is a good time. Ano sakat?
Hello po, first time po ba ninyo dito?
Opo, first time by job.
Apex talaga.
Gawa talaga yung first time. Babalikan ko ito, babalikan!
Balikan namin ito. Punta kayo ng Yarangka po.
And first time, maging second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time.
The best ba? Oh, isa mo ng smile dito. Say hi. Ay, sorry.
shake. That's
Okay, 1, 2, good. Hi. Go, go, go. Wala na hapon. Abaw! Say hi.
All the way around.
One, two, una na kayo. Say hi.
Hi. Mommy.
Hi guys, we're here. Ano kanya say?
Hi guys.
We're here in
Niagara Sky.
Skyway.
Daddy, don't lean against the door.
Oh gosh. Abelgas.
Dad, dinosaur.
No party.
Uy, wag kang see that?
What you fart?
No. What did you fight for?
Bigyan mo rin kami, mami. Record lang yan.
Music!
Oh, gabi naman yung music din. Say hi.
The Skywheel will rise 175 feet above the ground.
What?
And provide a picture perfect view.
Mommy, remember to look down.
Combined water is estimated at over.
Are we going to do that? That car?
Oh, yeah. Ay, wala pala yung Mario.
Ayaw talaga niya.
Hindi na mo kahit sumunod daw.
Yung Mario, mami, kita kami yung Mario.
I want to try the...
Ayun pa yun.
Where's the car?
Yun yung pa yung ano. Yung tawag din yung pause.
Macho, don't move! I could see the Niagara Falls from here.
Yeah.
Ayun pala yung
The Niagara Falls from here. Yeah.
Where?
Bakit walang makapitan?
Ay, kuya.
Makapitan! You see the ocean?
Uy!
Gusto ko na kumapit.
Tatalon kaya. Talunan.
Kasi Papa Maris,
Talagang pinanindigan niya, hindi siya sasabihin.
Hala siya eh.
Hola!
Wala pa nga tayo sa pinakataas eh.
Mahaba din pala ang mag-guard.
Mommy, look there! Bakit nakakapit si Makoya?
Takos?
Nice view!
Nice view, Macho, right?
Please don't stop here. I know we stopped here.
Lula rin pa.
Manan Road. The big tower. Look at that big tower. Ba't hindi kayo natakot Hana? That's where the ocean.
Is it scary, Hannah?
No.
No, right, okay. How about you, Matthew?
May,
Is it scary? No one. How about you, Heidi? How about you, my wife?
Ganda yung party mo.
I don't wanna see.
Okay.
Open! Open!
watch your stuff.
How about this?
Respect your mom.
Look behind you! Nakatugtog ko na tama tayo.
Wala
Hindi
pa.
pa.
Pero nakakaano din mo. Where's our hotel?
Paano pa na dito si Tiwari? Balik na tayo, paano to? Lala.
Oh no. Nakakalula.
Si Makoy. Si Makoy tawa lang. Sino natatakot din?
Are you sure you can see our car? Yeah!
Okay pa kami. Hindi na wala tao.
Ay! Nasa tayo! We're at the very top! Ay! Very top? Hindi, tingnan mo sa likod mo. Tingnan mo sa likod. Stop!
Oh no!
It's getting faster!
Stop mo na yan.
Getting faster na. Put it back in your pocket! Ayan na. Malapit na matapos. It's getting faster. Okay.
Isang ikot pa to. Ano ba? Dalawang ikot pa to.
Dalawa pa?
Ay, isa lang.
Isang ikot lang.
Isang ikot lang to.
Tatlong ikot.
Ayan. Wala na. Oh, may isa pa.
Tatlong ikot. Toy, may isang. One more!
Isang ikot pa. Mas mabilis. Mas mabilis.
Happy! Happy!
Look down, Mommy. We're at the top. Hey, stop!
Oh.
Faster! I think you can stop. What happened? Wow!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, ganda. Green sa kabila, mano.
Ayun nga sa ano.
Bakit may ilaw yan? Saan galing yung ilaw?
Lights.
Makikita natin niya. Bukas punta natin.
Punta nga natin sa malayo.
Purple!
Pink.
Tatlong ikot ba to?
Mga limang ikot.
5?
Lima!
One more ikot.
Matthew, yay! Heidi, yeah!
Stop at the top.
Yeah, stop at the top.
Oh, it's slowing down! Wow!
Oh, wow.
No! Green. Oh, it's slowing down. Ang ganda yung ano yun.
Stories.
We're staying at the top!
Oh, white and red.
Is there any purple? Sa taas tayo!
Stop. Pindutin natin stop.
Ay, sa taas tayo!
Stop talaga!
Oh!
Nag-stop talaga.
Mommy, look there! No!
Stop mo na.
Ang haba nung ano, cartoon.
Oh no.
Ang ganda.
Oo nga, yan magka-carton.
Mag-care tayo bukas.
Oh no, puminto talaga sa gitna.
Isa-isa yan? Isa-isa sa
Basta
car?
mo na.
Pwedeng ano,
Dalawa?
Look at the hotel. Oh, that's...
Muna tayo tapos.
Kuya, we're at the top? Ha? Matthew, we're at the top.
Diyan na tayo bibili, sis? Ano na,
Yeah,
ang haba
we're
eh.
at the
Pag
top.
ano no, ang haba. Talaga naman ito, nanalangin talaga na mag-stop siya. Bakit ito hindi naman
Natatangin na yan.
ako?
Hala, yeah! Are you scared? It's not scary, right? Ask your mommy.
Mommy, is it scary? Yes. My goodness.
Oh no.
Now.
Takot ka ba? Ha?
Mommy, look there.
Tatakot ka eh.
Tatawas lang kasi tayo.
No. Yung ano?
Tingin kasi tayo mo yan. Te. Tingin kasi dago mo. Pagkalali.
Parang nag-iwala yung kaluluwa natin. Oh my God, it's so nice, amazing. Tatlong ikot siguro ito, no?
Hindi pa, tapos na tayo. Last na to.
Yung mga dalawa pa yan.
We're not done.
Oo, nakatalag.
Ano ba ako si Papa Maria nandito?
Paglagay lang, papatigilin yan.
Wait, there's two.
White. The white color is nice too, right?
White and blue. Bakit dalawa?
Kasi US yun nga.
Magkaiwala yung iba kanina.
Ayun mo, di ba sabi ko sa'yo yung baby falls?
Yun US.
Oh, yung baby pose, yun yun.
Baby falls.
Can you imagine ang daming tubig?
Tapos,
Gusto mo kami.
Matthew. Tingnan mo nga kung ano ba ito.
Was it good, Matthew? Was it good, Hannah? What can you say?
It's good.
Are we going home now? Hello! See you tomorrow sa breakfast.
Yeah. Saan daw?